What is going on, guys? It is your boy Sean King, and in today's video I'm going to give you guys 5 tips that can help you grow your subscriber count overnight. What is going on, guys? It is your boy Sean King, man. I'm back with another video, guys. Now in today's video I'm going to give you guys actually 5 tips to grow your subscriber count. Now if you stay to the end of this video, guys, I promise you I will be giving something away, and to learn how to enter in, definitely wait till the end of the video. Now the first tip I'm going to get into is equipment, man. Equipment. You gotta have a camera, a mic, something to help you record. So if I should suggest anything, get a webcam, because I started on a webcam, and also get a mic, one of these mics back here. So definitely get you a mic and a camera just to start off, and having lighting and having all the good stuff. I mean, natural lighting is something that I actually like to use, especially in the morning times. Like, natural light is the best light you can ever get. But if you're filming at night, and sometimes you might want to film at night, definitely get some beautiful lighting. Definitely buy some lights, you know, on Amazon. Link will be in the description for all my equipment, by the way. Definitely get some stuff from Amazon and stuff like that to help you guys film at night. During the day is the best time for you guys to film, man. But this is just to get you started, you know what I'm saying, with your YouTube channel. Now, the second tip I'm gonna get into is very, very crucial. Like, I think most YouTubers don't even know what they want to talk about at the end of the day, because they're giving their opinion to audience. Stick with a niche and just stick with it, man. Like, just stick with us as long as you can. I mean, once you start growing, you can actually switch it up, but stick with a niche or like something that you're interested in and you think other people would be interested in, but make sure it's something that you're interested in and that you can actually talk about and you know what you're talking about. Definitely pick a topic. That is my second tip for you guys. Pick a topic that you like, okay? Now, my third tip is crucial, guys. It's going to literally help you guys grow your subscribers overnight. I promise you that. Promote yourself, okay? That is my number 3 tip. Promote yourself. Now, the reason why I say promote yourself is because most people nowadays, they don't really promote themselves. I mean, they just make the video, you know, throw it on YouTube, and that's pretty much it. Definitely make sure you guys promote yourself. Now, I'm gonna give you guys actually a little bit more on how you can promote yourself. You can use Sherry.com. Sherry.com, I'm gonna put it up on the screen. Use Sherry.com and go to that website, because it will help you guys actually promote your video much more and get the more reach that you prefer. Now, it's also a paid website, so you got to pay to promote the website, promote your YouTube channel. So it actually isn't that bad, but that's something I suggest you guys at least start for beginners, okay? People who have no subscribers at all. And so you have to start somewhere. So definitely make sure you guys go to Sherry.com, pay $10 just to have your pin on the website, you know what I'm saying? So you gain some traction, some people watching your content, because I know it's hard at 0, man, when there's nobody watching. So definitely you want to make sure your videos get out there. Also use Facebook, Instagram, anything to promote yourself and get you in front of your target audience. It's the best way I can tell you guys. So definitely make sure you guys check out Sherry.com. The link will be in the description actually for Sherry.com, so definitely check it out. Now, number 4, man. Number 4 is huge too. I don't think people do this a lot, but when you do get that subscriber count when you're first starting, talk to your subscribers, okay? Talk to them, any comment, you know what I'm saying, you get from a subscriber or anybody. Make sure you talk to them, you know, and tell them, you know, at the end of the video, if they have any questions, if they have anything that they want to know, you know what I'm saying, give them a question so they can comment on your video, because you want them to comment. You don't want to be not commenting or not talking to your subscribers. Like, don't be shy, talk to your subscribers, man. They are there watching your content, so you have to be active with your subs on a daily basis. I mean, that's the best advice I can actually give you guys. Be active with your subs. you know, because you never know who's going to sub to you. Even if they might just watch your video, comment down below, they might sub to you later, you know what I'm saying, because you commented, you actually answered their questions, and you actually gave them feedback. So definitely make sure you guys talk to your subscribers and get some type of interaction from your subscribers. Also, leave them with a question at the end of the video, or give them something in return. Give your subscribers some type of value. You know, that's another thing about YouTubers. They usually don't give their target audience some type of value or something in return for watching their content. So definitely give your subscribers some type of interaction or some type of value in exchange for them watching your content. All right, now I'm getting to the last one, number 5. But before I get into number 5, I want to tell you guys on how you can actually enter to win a $100 gift card. Okay, this is not a joke. It is very, very serious. And I want to actually do this because I know it's been a while since you guys saw me. So I want to actually give back to my subscribers who have been here from the beginning. So definitely comment, like, and make sure you're subscribed. All right, my 5th tip, guys, is actually a huge one. Also, is SEO. If you don't know what SEO is basically a YouTube algorithm. And YouTube has an algorithm, but most people don't know that, so they just upload random stuff, you know what I'm saying? But YouTube actually has an algorithm, you know, like certain stuff, like having your description longer and using the right tags and seeing what's popular, seeing what's, you know, something that can actually help you. So I suggest you guys look up YouTube SEO, how to do that, and you know, how to organize your playlist and all that stuff. Thumbnails, because thumbnails is actually a big thing. Like, YouTube's actually judging your thumbnails, and they're actually judging the first 15 seconds of your video. So you gotta kind of let them know what your video is actually talking about. Like, what is the topic of your video? Let them know in the first 5 seconds of the video, man. And actually make your intros kind of like really good, so you can capture the audience better. Because that's another crucial thing, is that people don't really take the time out for their intros. And the first 15 seconds, the subscriber or the person who are watching your video, they're gonna want to know, you know, what your video is about. What are you doing? You know, why should I be watching you? You know, so definitely that is a crucial part. Like, the beginning of your video is pretty much going to set up your rest of your video. So that's definitely going to help you guys grow your subscribers overnight. So make sure you guys keep up with the SEO, and you know, make sure you guys get the equipment and all the good stuff, because in 2019, I'm pretty sure you guys want to reach 1 million subscribers. Some of the tips that might help you on your journey. Actually, a free bonus tip that you might not know, but making your videos longer literally helps you, because you want your audience to watch your videos longer. Okay, so making your videos really long, like if you literally search up any video, I'm pretty sure the top videos get at least 13 to 15 minutes long. Okay, so make it as long as possible, because you definitely want to have retention time and watch time. Watch time is really huge, more so than views, because the more people that watch you longer, the more traction you're gonna get, and YouTube's going to boost your video to the ceiling. Okay, so definitely make your videos long. Make sure you stay on track with your videos, and make sure you guys also continue to upload on a daily basis. Like, it is literally going to help you guys, and I want to help you guys grow your subscriber bases. So definitely look up YouTube SEO. So look up YouTube SEO, and that will definitely help you guys, you know, on your journey to 1 million subscribers. Okay, but thank you guys for watching. But for a $100 gift card giveaway, all I'm doing is having you guys comment section below, and comment down below what is your goal for 2019 with your subscribers, and how many subscribers would you want to have in a month, man. Definitely comment section below, because I want to know your feedback, and I'm going to actually pick a winner for the $100 giveaway. So make sure you guys comment section below on what your subscriber amount is that you want to do in 1 month. Make sure you also guys like and subscribe, because that's definitely gonna be choosing people who are liking and subscribing on my channel. Man, how time it is, man. It is your boy Sean King, man, and I'm out, man. Peace.